Welcome to Little Venice, a hidden gem between Camden Town and Regent's Park. Little Venice is very special because it dates back to the 19th century. It was originally called St. John's Wood, and John Nash designed the canal because he wanted to create a transport route between River Thames and the Grand Union Canal, transporting goods during the 19th century, and it was finished in 1820. Now you can see beautiful houseboats and a pavement for people to walk by in, as well as Georgian houses. Little Venice also links to Regent's Park, one of London's 8 royal parks, and it used to be the hunting ground for King Henry VIII in the 16th century. Now people enjoy their time at the park, and it's also an entrance to the London Zoo. Since the 19th century, John Nash designed the park and opened the park for the public and the overpopulation of London, and people enjoy it to this day. It was a change from the private royal grounds to a public park. It was called Marylebone Park when the royals used it as their private land. You can visit early mornings and late afternoon when it's all quiet, and check out the latest events on their website. Regent's Park is also accessible by tube, bus and walk. It only takes 30 minutes on the Bakerloo line and 20 minutes by bus. Take the 139, and also a 30-minute walk if you want to enjoy the scenery. It's also accessible to Madame Tussauds. Hi guys, so I'm in Regent's Park now. This is one of 8 royal parks of London, and this is the end of my vlog. But yeah, I'm just resting after an adventure in Camden Town. So yeah, this is a place where you can relax and just enjoy the breeze, because June is really hot but breezy, so it's not too hot and it's not too cold. That's what I like about the weather in London in June. So yeah, if you like my video, like I